We're rolling here. We've got our patient Cherub. Cherub, how long have you been my patient?
A couple of years.
A few years, right? All right. You've got a spot in the middle of your back here, and unfortunately, this has been infected, and we tried treating this to see if we get the infection under control first. I think we've made some progress. But one of the biggest problems is you're allergic to sulfa drugs, aren't you?
Yes.
And we have our best efficacy in this particular area against staph with sulfa drugs, and you're not able to take that. So that's made this a little bit more difficult. We wanted to get this to consolidate so we could do a little bit better job of clearing out the cyst. Thank you. So first thing we're going to do is clean this up with some betadine. That's what you're feeling right now. And I'm going to try to tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it so you'll know kind of what's going on and you won't be scared. Okay?
Okay.
Also, if you feel any pain along the way, you're going to tell me, okay?
Oh, I am.
All right. Good. Have you had any fevers or chills, Miss
Chills.
Cherub? Some chills? One thing also I'm going to do is I'm going to change. You've been on the, I believe it was Augmentin, correct?
Right.
Okay, I'm taking you off the Augmentin and we're going to switch you off to clindamycin.
Okay.
All right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start doing some numbing here. Is this 25 gauge that we have, Gonzo?
Yes.
All right, we've got Gonzo and Misty in the room, and we've got a friend of Cherub's with us today, right? Cold spray, ethyl chloride. There we go. Little stick. Are you ready? What's Gonzo say?
Stick, sting, burn, and hide now.
Oh.
There you go. Not too bad, right? Just a little
She doesn't tell me
sting.
your name right.
Okay, little Gonzo, let's go right this direction. Can we cold spray? Okay. A little bit more for you, Miss Cherub. I know.
What's your name?
Cherub.
Cherub. Cherub.
There we go.
I'm so sorry.
You're doing fine.
Oh, that hurt. Oh,
Feel a little sting right there.
Just breathe, breathe.
This is reality, folks. When you get these lidocaine injections, whether they're buffered or not, they sting. They just do.
Yeah.
We're going to go a little bit more. We're going to come where it's already been injected. That shouldn't hurt that much. We're going to kind of work down 15 blade. If you hurt, you tell me. We're making a slow incision right across the top. And make a little bit deeper there, Gonzo. So then you can, all right, let's get that culture. Here we go. Get down in there. There you go.
No, that's
Perfect.
sticking now.
Is it stinging a little
Yeah,
bit?
about.
Okay. Well, we can go always get some more medicine if we
Yeah.
need to, but we're just going to give it a little squeeze right now. We're not cutting.
Okay.
See what comes out of here.
I feel sorry for you right now.
Really?
That
These
wasn't
are-
terrible.
Those are no fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Misty, why are you all the way back there?
She doesn't want to be.
Splattered.
Cherub, are you ready? We're going to get let's get you another injection here.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Little stick. That was a lie. It's a big stick. Let's come this way too. Gonzo, can you see okay?
Yes, sir.
That'll give us some extra coverage. All right. Now we've got some more. So we were just talking about one of the reasons why our patient Cherub is going to need more anesthesia is you're on a lot of pain medicines, aren't you?
Yes.
And as a result, when a person takes a lot of pain medications, then the enzymes in their body to break these down and the sensitivity to it changes. And so they've got more enzymes, so you have more enzymes, and you're less sensitive to these medicines. So we have to give you more. And so that's what we're doing now. And we'll just give you as much as you need. And if we have to keep stopping and giving you more, then that's what we're going to keep doing.
Okay.
Should be feeling some of that right there. Good. I'm trying to get right in. So this little tool, this curette, that's exactly what this is designed for, is to actually come in and remove scarred tissue and really difficult to remove stuff, so we don't have to spend a lot of your time just picking and pulling at it. Yeah, looks in there. Can you see in there pretty well there, Misty? Can you see?
Yes, we can see.
All right, got a little dilute hydrogen peroxide we're going to use to rinse. Let it bubble on out. That can help kind of carry some of that scraped out cyst pieces. Yeah, because of the age of this one, we're going to treat it differently. Basically, we just scraped the cyst materials out and scraped into a slurry, basically, and then just squeezed it right on out.
Really?
I'm hoping that this is not going to come back on you in the years to come.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
Not every.
But one of the things we can do to help prevent that from happening is allow this to heal from the inside out, just like your friend was telling us to granulate like he had on his. This is going to be just fine. So you're going to have a little packing in here, and we're going to have you come back tomorrow. Oh, and we're back here with Cherub. Cherub, how'd you do last night?
I slept good. I felt no pain because of the anesthesia still. But then this morning it started hurting.
Did it?
Yes.
Okay. Did you take a pain pill this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did it help?
It helped.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the packing and then Dr. Gilmore's gonna do the unless he lets me do it.
No, you can go ahead and take the packing out. That sounds good.
All right.
So
Take
we,
a
there you
deep breath
go.
in, and you can. I'm sorry about this. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dog! Don't trip me.
Wow.
You stepped on my foot. That's
You're right
okay.
behind
It
me.
stings now, but
Yep. All right. So now we're going to squirt a little lidocaine in here,
okay.
and this is plain lidocaine.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Here we go. This is just a little bit of fluid. It'll be cold, but it shouldn't hurt very much. So you kind of have a little pouch here.
Okay.
So yeah, we were able to put the whole CC right in there. So let's wait just a moment for that to work. So you slept okay, but you woke up having some pain, did
Right.
you? Right. Did you have much nausea?
No.
Okay. How'd you do with the new antibiotic I put you on?
So far it's agreeing. So.
Okay, good. This actually is looking really, really good today. I'm really pleased with how this looks. So thanks for letting us do the update video for everybody too.
Thank you for doing this for me.
Okay, we're going to start putting the packing in. Nice and easy. It's going right in.
You're blocky.
Am I blocking the video? Shame on me. How's that? Is that better?
That's better.
All right.
You gotta shrink her so sorry.
I'm going to have to get small for this job. So this is iodoform gauze. It has a
Do you love Dr. Gilmore's cyst bursting, pimple popping, and infection draining videos? Want to see the extended procedures with never before seen footage, early releases, and no ads? Then support us on Patreon for dozens of HD ad-free videos. And don't worry, you can still watch on YouTube for free. But if you want the premium content with no ads, become a patron on Patreon. There's a link in the description.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video. I took mine. How about you?
Coconut loves Meta 7, okay?
Why?
Because look, I could not get comfortable for anything last night. I went to sleep at 1 o'clock this morning, woke myself up around 5, and I have been knocking patients out all day nonstop, and I still have a whole mess of energy. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore, for making Meta 7.
Okay, so you took Meta 7 this morning.
Yeah, I take it every morning.
You take it every morning. And so even though you had a hard time sleeping last night, you took Meta 7 this morning, and now you are a medical assistant machine.
I am a machine. I'm a tank.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.